Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We have got a 1956 Ford Crown Victoria, but this one here is a little unique. It is the Skyliner. It has a clear plexiglass roof, a blue tinted roof you can see right through. It's got a Continental kit on the back, and it's had a body off the frame restoration. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find the price on every car along with the monthly finance option. You'll find a description and photos of every car we have for sale as well. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Okay, we bought this out of an estate. The car had been sitting. The body off frame restoration was already done. We'll get to all that in a minute. It's an amateur restoration. The car shows well. It's not pristine. But we spent $4,500 servicing the car. New exhaust, rebuilt transmission, rebuilt carburetor. The list goes on and on. So it's serviced and a good driver. But the body was off the frame. It's all new body bushings. The underbody is all restored metal. There's no rust. And it's all painted the same peacock blue color. Same glossy finish on the underbody. The chassis is all restored in black. The rear suspension is new. The leaf springs, the shocks, the bushings, that stuff looks like it was just installed. The front end components look real clean. Mechanic says they did inspect it all. All looks to be in real good shape. We did have a dual exhaust put on with glass pack mufflers all the way from the engine all the way out the back, and it is routed through the bumper like they originally were. The brakes are in good shape. E-brakes hooked up. The brake hoses look like they're new. You look up at the motor is clean. The motor mounts look new. The fuel pump, the starter, all that was rebuilt or restored when they redid the car. So it's the Cruise-O-Matic, the automatic transmission. That was $2,500. We just had that completely rebuilt by a professional. It was $2,500, and that was us bringing in the trans. The drive shaft's been rebuilt. Fuel tank's been replaced. The tank, the fuel pump, like I said, so that's all in good shape. So underneath the car is better than what you would expect. Now I say amateurish because the body is not a $25,000 paint job. There's dust in the paint. It could be wet sanded better, but it's very presentable. But it is shiny, glossy, beautiful colors too. The body all looks real good, all fits real nice. There's a chip down here at the corner. You got the Continental kit. Here's a scratch right here. This is all painted. All the paint's like a 6 or 7 out of a 10, and that's coming from someone fussy. Someone off the street might say, oh, it looks new. This is all painted nice. The body's good. There's no rust showing, no damage. Here's a chip on the edge here. The door sticks out a little bit down here at the bottom corner. But yeah, no rust or damage. There's some runs. It's all metal. This all fits good. This is all in good shape. Again, good, but imperfection. There's chips around the edge here that have been touched up. Here's a chip at the hood ornament. Here's like a hairline crack right here in the paint. And just imperfection, just dust. A couple chips on the edges here, chips on the edges here. It does have the Thunderbird logo because it has the 292 Thunderbird engine in there. The chrome and trim, all the stainless trim, it's all here. It looks like someone's cleaned it up, but it's not professionally straightened or restored. Probably original trim. Original door handle has some pitting on it. The side moldings are in really nice shape. These are straight. Now a 55 kind of dips down and up. 56 to me is more streamlined. 56 also a 12 volt system where 55 is still the 6. New rubber gasket around the vent window, but it looks like there's a chunk missing right up here. You'll have a wind leak right there. Yeah, all this trim is just good original. Tail lights look like they're original. Bumper's been rechromed. Here's the exhaust coming out through the bumper. The wheels are painted the peacock blue. The hubcaps have been polished. White walls look good, but they got some crackling in the white part of the tire. So why don't we open it up, show you what's inside the car. We should talk about this top a bit more, though. It's like a plexiglass top. Here's some light scratches right here where someone rubbed it with something. And I'm going to say it's in very good shape, but there's a couple little light marks or scratches on it. Now let's open it up, see what it's like inside. All right, so a Continental kit, the way it works, there's a big lever here that you pull, and then it swings out of the way. Then you got access to your trunk as usual. So the trunk compartment, solid metal, painted blue. Here are fender skirts. If you prefer to put fender skirts on the car, here they are. Looks like they're painted white. A couple miscellaneous extra parts go with it. New liner, new weather strip. This rear speaker shelf is just like cardboard. That's how they were. This one's warped. You can replace that. I should say it's available. Door jambs are kind of nicked up. Door panels have been replaced. Real sharp looking, matches the outside, the blue and white. The inside metal trim on the doors been chromed a long time ago, but the dash is painted. It's blue and white. Looks good. Gauges look to be in good shape. You know, the knobs, the heater control panel. The heater's not working in the car. That is something we did not fix. Got a new glove box liner. Kick panels, wind lace, all looks good. Carpet looks good. Upholstery's been redone. The back seat's reupholstered. Side panels are redone. Let's see the inside chrome trim. That could use rechroming. This is called the basket handle. It's kind of cool because the trim is the same on the inside. It matches the outside. But you got to look up through the glass roof. That's what makes this car really cool. Visors have been redone. It does come with a bottle of touch-up here. I don't know if it's the blue or the white. It looks like it's white, so it does come with white touch-up paint. Let's check out the motor. It's a 292. The motor does run very well. It's got the stock valve covers and air cleaner, manifolds. We did build the carburetor just recently. It's got an upgraded aluminum radiator. The engine bay is presentable, not a show car, but for the most part it's all there and very presentable. Looks good. So there you have it. Beautiful example of a 1950s car. Beautiful colors. Crown Victoria. That's got all the extra trim. The basket handle, they call it. And then it's got the glass top. Has been body off the frame restoration. But like I said, it's not a high-end. It's not a $75,000 or $85,000 car. It's significantly less than that. So it is price fair for what it is. Again, we put $4,500 or more than that, $5 or $6 grand into servicing the car. So go to volocars.com. I just gave you my impression. Excuse me. Talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions. They'll help get this delivered to your driveway. They'll help you finance it if you go to volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.